little bit more progress on the F350 turbo rebuild. Turbo is off. It is taken apart. Getting ready to start cleaning things up. It was quite dirty. And the compressor wheel, man, it had been chewed up. It's seen better days. Yeah, I looked at a new stock compressor wheel, and honestly, shape doesn't even look the same. This one's been beat up and wore out pretty good. About 366,000 miles on it, so it was overdue. Once I get the turbo cleaned up, put it back together, next I have to deal with this, which is the turbo pedestal with the exhaust back pressure valve, which was leaking like a sieve. My answer to that is right here. We're doing the exhaust back pressure valve delete. So there's no valve on the back to leak oil. And I've got a new housing back for the turbo that eliminates the flapper valve as well, which in this warm climate around here actually serves no purpose other than to restrict exhaust. So, and the compressor wheels, I've got a whole balance center section with a wicked wheel on it, so that should help things out a bit too. So, making progress. And Berserker's just waiting for me to have time. It's still coming along. I've got the new headers on, and I'm getting ready to start building the turbo up pipe going into the Turbonex Hurricane Turbo. So, fun.